Are you looking for affordable true wireless earbuds that doesn't suck? Then you might just be at the right place. Hey guys, what's up? This is Philip's Future. Welcome back to the channel, and today I've got an exciting video on the QCY T10 true wireless earbuds, and I'm going to unbox them and test them out, so let's get right into the video. I'll be covering the unboxing, build quality, and mostly how they sound for that price. Anyway, thanks to Mobile Store Kenya for sending these among other earbuds, so subscribe if you wanna catch up with other videos that will probably go live anytime soon. Kicking off with unboxing, you get a box like this with some highlights of the earbuds written all over the box. Getting inside the box, you get your manuals, extra ear tips, and a USB-C charging cable, which is not what I expected at first because at this price point you don't get to see USB-C that often. On the other side, you get the earbuds and the case. Well, that's pretty much everything you get in the box, so now let's get to the build quality of both the case and the earbuds. Both the case and the earbuds are built out of plastic, and that's okay because you don't want some cold metal on your ears every time you put them on. Other than that, it feels good, design is quite solid, but the hinge mechanism feels a little bit weaker than I expected, which raises durability concerns. Actually, it snaps so easily, so bear that in mind if you think of getting one of these. The earbuds rests in the case with the help of some magnets, which are not so strong by the way. They pop in perfectly when you line them though. I missed a few times, but once I got used to it, everything was fine. This earbud supports Bluetooth 5.0, which makes connection process quite easy and quick. Once you pop the earbuds out of the case, you have to go to the Bluetooth settings and look for QCY T10 and connect to them, which they do pair quickly as I said, and I personally didn't experience any connection issues with them. If you want to get the most out of them though, you need to download the QCY app, and with that installed, you get a lot of controls that you couldn't without the app. For instance, you get this Apple-like pairing screen once you pop the case open, and not just that. In the app, you can set what you want the earbuds to do when you tap on either one of them. You can set to play music, skip it, go to the previous track, launch assistant, or even increase or decrease volume when you either triple tap or double tap, depending on what you pick. Enough of the features, so how do they sound? First of all, they fit pretty well in my ears, I didn't have any problems with that. They're comfortable to put on for longer periods of time because of the rubber ear tips that I personally like. Plus, you can still change the ear tips to get the perfect fit if the default ones don't fit you perfectly. Anyway, with AAC HD audio support, they sound great for that price. Bass is just fine for most scenarios like watching movies or videos, but it could use more of it when it comes to listening to music. For a normal consumer, this will just be perfect unless you are an audiophile. Just don't max out the volume though, because it gets teeny and distorted at high volumes. In the app, you can also see the battery percentage of both the earbuds and the case, so you know when to charge them. And talking of battery, the case packs a 600 mAh battery, and QCY claims 21 hours of battery life with the case, and 4 to 5 hours from the earbuds on a single charge, which should be enough for most people, and charging is done via USB-C, so you should expect some pretty quick charging. And again, in the settings, you can also play with the equalizer to get what sound you prefer. So are they worth it? Well, for that price they sound good, and I think you should pick them up. Just keep in mind that weaker hinge mechanism, but for the most part it's a good pick. That's a wrap for this video guys, but I still have a lot more to unbox, so stay subscribed and drop a comment if you want to win any of these. Anyway, that's it guys, thanks for watching. Drop a like to the video and subscribe for more tech content just like this one. Anyway, goodbye guys, and most of all, stay safe.